In this video, I will tell you about an amazing new NFT collectors challenge built by DigiSports in cooperation with MMA fighter Rose Namajunas. So let's get started with the topic. First, a quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Alright, now let's get right into this video, and before we start, I do want to say that all the links you will need for DigiSports, this website, and their new NFT challenge, all the links will be down in the description. So definitely check them out before we get into the rest of the video. Alright, so now let's get started. So what we will talk about in this video is actually a unique and amazing collector's challenge using NFTs and in cooperation with MMA fighter Rose Namajunas, who all of you probably do know. And it's actually some sort of a challenge where you create your own NFT character using loot and using different parts of NFTs to actually create that character, which you can get in mystery boxes. So I will tell you everything about how that goes, a quick tutorial on how that works and how you can participate in this, because there are some amazing rewards as well. Now, before we get into that, I think it's good to also talk a little bit about the partners, because they have some amazing partners. And right now she is number 2 in the UFC strawweight rankings currently, so 2023. Apart from that, Lympo is another partner, which is a sports NFT ecosystem and a subsidiary of Animoca Brands. And Animoca Brands is the third partner. And Animoca Brands is one of the biggest businesses and companies in crypto. They support a lot of different subsidiaries, a lot of different crypto projects in investment, but also in expertise. Most of you know that, but these are some amazing partners. All right, but we'll talk a little bit more about how the avatar creation and how the NFT creation and that process works a little bit later in the video. But now let's go over some of the things you need to know. So if you actually want to secure your spot on the Allowlist, first of all, on their website, again, all the links will be down in the description. You have to put in your email address and your wallet address, and then you can very easily join their waiting list. All right, so now a quick tutorial and guide on how it works. So the first thing you have to do is actually join that waiting list. So what I just explained, then you can actually get your hands on some mystery boxes, and that is the first thing there is. So you have these mystery boxes. If you actually are on the waiting list, you can buy these mystery boxes. You have bronze, silver, gold, and diamond. So basically in these mystery boxes, you will get different stickers, and those stickers can be used to actually create an avatar. So in the boxes you have 2 to 5 guaranteed athlete stickers and then 1 to 4 bonus athlete stickers, and you can also have a chance to receive an item sticker. So depending on if you buy bronze, which is $5, silver, which is $25, gold, which is $100, or diamond, which is $400, depending on that, you will receive different tiers of items. So you have beginner, intermediate, advanced, elite, and those item stickers, and there are different percentages to what chance you have of getting them. And those stickers, those athlete stickers, are actually how you will build your own NFT avatars. But I will show you a little bit more how that works in a moment. And by the way, they have payment options in both tokens and fiat currency. So if you do not want to pay via crypto, or you do want to pay via crypto, both are possible. Now, second of all, and I will talk a little bit more about this later on, you have to build your own fighter. So you have to collect enough stickers to unlock and upgrade your fighter avatars. And here at the top, you can actually see some examples. So they're fully customizable, and depending on what stickers you have, you can actually build fighters, and they will be better if you have better stickers to build them with. And then if you have very good fighters and avatars, you will also be able to get some exclusive rewards, such as meeting up and training with Rose Namajunas. So after building your own fighter, you can actually, there are different tiers of fighters, we will talk about that later. Then third of all, you can actually get some exclusive prizes. So you can actually win merchandise like hoodies, t-shirts, and caps representing Rose Namajunas. And then apart from that, they will also have a legendary raffle, but we'll get into that when that is a little bit later, which is available if you can actually build a legendary fighter. So like I said, now on the screen, you will see some of the fighters you can build. Depending on which athlete stickers you get, you can actually build different strength of avatars. So beginner, intermediate, advanced, and elite. And you can get different tiers of stickers in the mystery boxes you buy. So if you actually have 4 legendary stickers and you build an athlete with that, then you have an elite level avatar. And if you are actually able to gain 4 elite avatars, you can breed them together and get a legendary avatar. And this legendary avatar is enough to participate in the legendary raffle, in which you can win amazing prizes such as signed merchandise or a real in-live or online training session with Rose Namajunas. Now here is a quick timeline of what's happening. So on May the 26th, you actually have the priority access to gain some access to the platform and the NFT challenge. Then a day later or 2 days after that, you have public access, and then May the 31st, the building of your NFT avatars actually begins. And then lastly, on June the 18th, you'll have that legendary raffle. So in this legendary raffle, you can actually win things like a cameo, like I said, a real live training session with Rose Namajunas, but also signed gloves, and you can actually pick up the fight entry song. So a lot of amazing prizes if you are actually able to get 4 elite avatars, build them and breed them together to get a legendary avatar. So now that you've heard this, I am sure you would want to participate and build your own avatar, because you can also just build beginner, intermediate and advanced and elite avatars while doing the challenge. So if you actually want to do that, once more, sign up to the waitlist, put in your wallet address, your email address, very easy to join the waitlist, and there's that. So with that, we have reached the end of this video. We talked about the whole challenge, how it works with the mystery boxes and the whole timeline afterwards, and how you can actually participate in the legendary raffle. For now, if you found this video helpful, please make sure to add a like and add comments with questions I might have missed, and subscribe to our channel.